Boy, I'm happy for you. You know, I went back to see that man.
Okay.
And then he told me to come back in 4 market days.
Okay.
Man, I ran.
You ran?
Yes, now.
That's when you ran. Yeah? Why?
You know...
You don't want to do again?
For what? God forbid.
Hey.
You know my mother is dead. I'm very sure the next thing he will tell me now is to bring my sister. My sister is the only one I have now. What do you want me to do? She's the only family I have. Yeah, I don't want to do again. No. After all, you make money now. You're my friend.
My brother, you don't have to do this. Eh? Poverty is not good. To suffer is a bad thing.
I know. So tell me, how did you get the mad woman?
The mad woman. It's a long story.
Have you?
It's a very long story.
No, now. You can still make it short. That's Oluchi calling me. Hello? Huh? What is it? No problem. I'll come to your house. In short, I'm with Ikem now. So maybe 2 of us will come to your house. Huh? Why now? Okay, no problem. I'll come alone. Okay, now bye-bye. Oh. What is it? It's Oluchi. She said I should come to her house, that there's an emergency.
See, guy, see, you don't have to go there. Yes, mind how you go there because people might begin to suspect you. You don't just have to go there. Eh?
What are we going to do now? She's our friend's wife.
I know.
We have to support her. Every time. I'll just rush this enjoyment, then I'll go and see her.
You still go there?
Yes, now. I'll go and see her.
I'm happy now that the game has made it. Yes. Let me not even bother myself again. He will help my life with his own money. What are friends for?
So you, Chikwem, you no longer want to do this. I know you're waiting for my own money. We shall see. I will show you Pepe. Friend, no reach for this one, no.
My guy.
He did what?
Yes. That was what he did. But let me even ask you, why would you guys venture into such? How could you all have done such terrible thing? Odima.
Oluchi, you know how life has been with us. Of course you know we've suffered so much. Your husband wanted to give you the best, but not at the expense of your own life.
Chris, I'm so sorry I pushed you to this. I'm sorry. Forgive me wherever you are. Ika will come. Kevin gave it a bit. And for he came. He will not go scot-free. Yes.
Oluchi, I'm sorry for hiding this from you, okay? But I beg you, do not take this up with Ikem. Alright? He said the money will come. Let the money come, so that you can give your husband a befitting burial. And also have some money to yourself. Listen, you have to leave for your husband now. Let us pretend we know nothing about this until the money starts coming. Please.
God, this is difficult. So you're saying I should forgive him for taking advantage of me in this my state?
Yes. He did not do it intentional. He did it for a purpose. He has promised to make you rich. Live for your husband now. Okay? Let's get this money. Pretend you're doing this for your husband. Let it be the last thing you're doing for him.
You know, Ikem and I were not that friendly. If it was you, it wouldn't have been this difficult for me. I never liked Ikem.
Oluchi, I understand. Just don't tell anyone about this, please. Okay? So this is what it is. Ikem hid this from us and lied to everyone. Okay, we shall see.
I'm just so tired. I don't know what to do again.
It's alright. I'm here, okay? Everything.
Ikoro, thank you. I'm so happy. Very soon I will leave this house with no pain. I'm not going to take anything from this place because I'm going to buy a new house and buy beautiful things. Hello? Yes, this is Ikem. Oh, yes, sir. Yes, I submitted a quotation to a certain company. But that's about 2 years ago. Yes, I still have those files with me, yes. What? Yes, my quota was 125 million. Yes, I can supply 200 million. What? Oh, thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Ah! Yes! Ikoro. Hey! Ikoro! You're here! Ikoro, I'm happy. I am so happy. The contract I've been looking for many years now. I just got it.
You don't have to tell me.
Oh my God.
This is your first money.
I'm happy.
Many other tasks will be coming to you.
Okay?
You'll be seeing me daily around you.
Okay.
Mind you, don't share this money with your friends.
Am I mad? I'm a voila.
And never you abandon that woman.
I'm not crazy.
More minor task will be coming to you.
Thank you. Igor, be coming. Be coming, I need you more. Hey! Okay, when you come to this, he came from boy, man. I am Ikem. It's me, I'm back. How are you?
I'm fine, no. I came.
I told you.
He came on Kegi.
Yes.
Hey!
One of my cars.
Are you serious?
Huh?
You finally made it.
Yes.
Hey,
And you know what? I promise you your days of suffering is over.
Amen, no, amen. Amen.
I made it.
Hey, I'm so
Yes.
happy for you. Look at you now.
You are going to be happy from now on.
Oh, Jesus, Daro.
I promise you.
Thank you.
Brother. Brother, what will I do now, eh? I don't want to miss this admission this year, oh. Ha! Just do something for me. Do something for me.
Sandra, you have to calm down. Okay? I'll see what I can do. As of now, things are not going well with me.
Brother, do something, oh. Just do something. If I lose it, I will not be happy. But I don't understand. What kind of hustling have you been hustling that we are still suffering in poverty until now? I'm tired, though.
My friend, what's wrong with you? Have you gone mad? What's the meaning of this thing you just said now? I have told you that I will see what I can do and you're still talking. If you want to hustle, go out there and hustle and see what's going on. What nonsense is this? I'm telling you. Someone in the game is calling. He's in town. Guy, what's up? I'm in the village. I'll be back today though.
Okay. You're coming back.
Hey.
Okay, I'm waiting. See you when you come back.
Alright, now I'll see you when I come back.
Brother,
Someone is telling you to calm down.
I don't want to miss this admission, oh. I don't want to miss this admission. Do something, oh. I don't want to miss it, oh.
What did you just say?
He said he's coming back. And do you know what? Your husband, my friend, will be happy that the wife is no longer going to suffer.
I feel so bad about my husband, but it is well.
No, it's okay. You don't have to feel bad, okay? I am going to transfer a huge amount of money in your account now.
Eh?
Yes.
Is it?
I am going to transfer 10 million naira to you right now.
The kidnapper. Thank you so much. Hey,
Okay, give me account number. Give me
my
account number. I'm
account,
doing
okay.
it immediately.
Trust One Bank.
Okay.
Hey, Jesus.
Trust Bank.
20 22
22.
Hey!
Hey, brother. I am so happy. You see, this is the best news I've heard.
I told you things will change. You see it now, now.
Hey, brother, I'm happy, you. Brother, I'll be waiting for your call, please.
Of course. Listen, we don't have a problem. Ikem is my best friend. As far as he has made money, we don't have problems again. So I'm going to meet him now. He'll give me some money and I'll send to you.
Brother, thank you. Brother, thank
Don't
you.
worry. Just taking care of yourself.
I will. Brother, go, be going. Brother, call me, oh. I will sleep with my phone. Bye-bye. Hey.
You know what? I've made it.
Obvious.
It had to go. Finally. Hi!
Take care, my guy.
Finally. You know, I am going to make you guys to eat, and you won't finish enjoying my money. Yes. I'm going to make you enjoy my money one after the other.
Wow.
So some people will stop calling us best of the same poverty. This now is riches together.
Yeah.
Yes, I'm going to make you enjoy my money. You're going to eat it. I'm going to make you happy.
Hi, Ikem. I'm so happy for you. You are now a big man. Look at your house now. Very beautiful. They go to knock overnight. They're gonna try to money. Hey, I'm happy for you.
I'm so happy for you too, my brother. I'm happy. I'm happy for. As a matter of fact, I'm happy for us.
Yes.
Because we're going to enjoy everything.
Indeed, you have made it so big.
You know, this is exactly what I have in my sitting room. Even the center table is what I have in my sitting room. You have eyes for good things.
Nice one.
Yeah.
Nice one. Ikem, I'm so happy for you. Yeah.
Oh, congratulations.
My guy. Ikem. My guy. Okay, you know what? I will go in there. By the time I'll be out, all of you will be smiling. I'll come in.
You know, we rich people, this is how we behave. We don't talk much. We let our money talk.
You people are... Hi. This house is so fine. Indeed, he has made it.
I like it. Baby girl, let me go out and look around to see. Maybe I can actually pick one or two things from this house so I can add it to my plans. You know, I'm building. I have a new project going on.
I'm so happy for you.
Welcome. Don't worry. I'll teach you how to make money. You need money.
She's very rich. Hey. Oh. I'm so happy for him.
Iko, what are you doing here? Can't I have a moment of peace? Why are you bugging me?
I am only but a messenger of the great God of wealth. You must not eat anything cooked in this house today.
What? Meaning what? Iko, see. If it is a joke, please stop it. As you're looking at me right now, I am very hungry. I have not eaten anything since today. Please.
You are warned. Ikem, you are warned. Eat nothing cooked in this house today.
Did he open?
No. He said you should leave. He doesn't want to see anybody.
Are you sure he knows you're the one knocking?
Yes, I told him I was the one. It's like he's angry.
Hey, Mandi Jigo, when no one mood swing. Eh? Okay, see, we have to wait for him. Let's see if he will give you some money.
Who told you I was leaving before? I'll wait here. I need my own share of this money.
Let's wait, we'll go together.
I'll get my own share.
Hi.
Even if it's boys' quarters, I'll build. Which one is this? You are warned. Cut that call and keep that phone down. You will not make any call today.
Iko, what is it? What the hell is this? Iko, can't I have a moment of rest? Why are you bugging my life? Why?
It's time for your next sacrifice.
Meaning, which sacrifice? Iko, I have done all I'm asked to do. Which sacrifice? I've done everything I'm supposed to do.
For silver and gold and the things of this world, many have
What kind of sacrifice? What kind of sacrifice again? I've done all I'm supposed to do. What is this? Can't I rest? Can't I rest for these people? What's... Oh God.
one day, someday. Infonye metalu bulu.
Thank you very much.
I should be the one thanking you. You have to send your account details to me so I'll give you some money you'll be managing life with before Ikem decides to help you.
Okay, I will do just that. I hope you have a business you plan to start.
Yes, I will definitely come up with a business idea. I'm so happy for Ikem. I can't believe he's now very rich.
I'm happy too. I'm very happy for him. You know what, don't worry. When I come back, I'll help you with a business idea to start up with.
Really?
Really?
Yes, I will.
Thank you so much. You know, all this wouldn't have been possible without your constant support and advice. Come here. Thank you. You're such a darling.
You're welcome. I need to run now. My sister is coming because I found a place she'll be working for now. Exams.
All right. Take care of yourself. Don't forget to send your account details.
No, I can't forget that one.
Bye-bye.
Hey, what is this now, Ikoro? What kind of nonsense is this? Gary. Night gown. Yeah? More kind of fridge, warm all again. Why you lying down on my bed? What kind of embarrassment is this? Why are you embarrassing me here and there? Why? What is this now?
To whom much is given, much is expected.
Ikoro, I was never told of this. So what kind of sacrifice are you talking about?
The gods require that you sleep with a pregnant mad woman.
Because what kind of nonsense is that? Me? Yeah? What kind of nonsense is that? Okay, where do you expect me to see the mad woman, a pregnant one? Yeah? Is there no any other option that you can give me?
There is no other option. 3 days. You have only but 3 days to perform this sacrifice.
What kind of rubbish is this? Come on, sit up bed now you say so. You got something soft is hungering you. Yeah? You blow so we don't have bed. In 3 days. No. I'll die for you people. Yeah? Blow so we don't have bed. You got any soft and I go with my AC. What nonsense? Young Maka, come and wash this thing, please.
Ginika! Shaggy Yaria, I thought you said you're traveling to Dubai. No, you should be at Dubai. What are you doing in a hotel?
Yes, no, Alaji.
It's okay,
it's a very long story.
The story is always long. You know what? I'm going to the conference hall to meet my business partner, some Alaji. So you have to go to my room and wait for me. You remember the room number?
Your room?
Yes, the room.
Okay, Alaji.
Hey!
Your room?
What? Yes, my room.
Alaji.
Hey, you go wait for me. Let me meet up with my business partner.
Welcome back, goodness. Babes. Guess who I ran into today? Oh my goodness.
Ginika, you know I'm not good at guessing. So tell me, who did you run into?
Alhaji Tanko. Girl, that man is everywhere. He's the least person I expected to see. I saw him at the hotel today, heading to someone else's room. He called me back and I had to run back to his hotel room. Babe, he needed to see the story I told him. Another tale of moonlight.
Hey. Linus, what did you tell him this time?
Nothing. That my account was hacked and all the money in it was stolen. That I couldn't travel anymore. Very simple. And guess what he did?
What is
it? He gave me 100,000 naira. You know the way now? The stress, the drama. Babes, I don't tire for that man. I swear.
Ginika, you may not always be lucky. For heaven's sake, who will believe your
cock and bull story of your account being hacked. Always. Allah Haji Tanko well. Omo, man is a dumbass. I'm tired, like. And you are what? No, full package. No, full option. Lie no somba. Keep lying. Full option. I give it to him. Just I said the heart. Ah, God, that 100K very important.
What is it?
Good evening, sir.
What is it?
Actually, sir, I noticed that you've been inside here for a long time, so I came to check if you're fine.
Just that?
Yes, sir.
I am fine.
Thank you, sir.
I said I'm fine.
Are you sure,
Get
sir?
out!
Come inside, sir.
Get out. I will slap you. Come on, get out.
Okay, sir.
For silver and gold and the things of this world, many have sold their soul. All the beautiful things are just vanity. One day they will pass away. One day, someday.
Sir. 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 Good morning, sir.
Morning, what?
Good morning.
So I slept here.
Cause you can't run away, for your sins you will pay, for the wages of sin.
What happened? So I slept here.
Huh?
Yes, sir.
And why didn't you come and wake me up?
Actually, sir, I woke you up, but you shouted at me, so I went inside.
Get out.
Very wicked girl. I slept in the car. You couldn't come and wake me up. Very wicked.
Now your face dey shine like this, yeah.
Wetin man go do now? I told say wo. I detail him and sometimes, yeah. Okay, we'll throw away when we try all this 7 up. You ever quite the guy?
Listen, I want to tell you. It is no longer news that Ikem, your nephew, is doing extremely good in the city now. Yeah?
Yes.
Who would have thought he will make it in life?
Look at him. As I was telling you before, Miles Demeze's son told me that Ikemu is now a very rich man in the city.
You should go and get your share of the goodies from him. When his parents died, you single-handedly trained him.
So good, but it's you. Peter Wendy, there's something I want to tell you.
What is that?
One secret. I'm ashamed of myself.
Why? What is it?
I did a lot of terrible things to this young man. I never knew life would turn like this and favor me in the end. If I had known, I won't press that hard on him. I won't at all. I mean,
don't bother yourself. If not you, who knows? He may have died. Yeah? Yes. Stop beating yourself hard. Forget about the past.
everything you did was to make him a better person.
Because you're right. You are very right. However, I think I will not go to the city to see him. I will wait for him. Go to Sister Bia. Let him come back. Yes. Then I will time and know the exact time I will go and see him. Whether in the night or in the evening. Then I will see him. We'll discuss it quietly and gently. Peacefully.
Now we are talking. Eh? Yeah. Now we are talking. Yes. Make haste while the sun shine. But
yes, noted there. What people will see? I wish. Oh, people will see. I wish. I don't know.
Just give me more time. Please, just give me more time. I promise you I will pay.
How long have I been hearing that? How long? You tenants are very wicked. Look at me, a retired civil servant. Where do you expect me to get money to take care of my family? You live in somebody's property for 2 years without paying rent. How do I survive?
Oga landlord, I know. But things are hard. Things are very hard. I'm trying my best. Please just give me...
Your best is not good enough. Your best is not good enough. Look at the key. If anything happened to this padlock, where you will see yourself, you will regret. And I'm giving you just 3 days. After 3 days, I'm here. You have not paid me. I will throw all your properties outside and rent my house. I've warned you. I don't know what you want from me.
Oga landlord, I'm pleading. Just give me more time. Yeah, give me...
Do you think I will come here to look at your handsome face? I will use it to go and feed my children or what? 3 days if I come here, you have not paid me. Everything in this I will throw it away and rent the house. I've warned you.
Oga landlord, please.
I've warned you.
Oga landlord, please, I'm begging you. I will pay. Just give me more time, please.
I've warned you.
Please now, Oga landlord, this is not fair. It's not fair. Just give me more time.
One day, someday, cause you can't run away, for your sins you will pay, for the wages of sin is death.
Ikuru, what is it?
Today is the 3rd day. What are you still waiting for?
Ikuru, I know. I am trying my best. Just give me some time, please.
Ikem, time is what you don't have.
One day, someday, cause you can't run away, for your sins you will pay, for the wages of sin is death.
Brother, what is it? The landlord was here.
Yes.
Brother, why don't you go to your friend in Kim and ask him for help? I'm very sure that if he was in your position, you will help him. So go to him, please.
As it is right now, he's my only option. Well, he just don't care. I'll try. All the same, Sandra, I want you to look for a place to stay until I sort out the smell.
Okay.
Do you have some loose change there? I want something to use as transport to go see Kim.
I think I have some change here.
please, I'm going to reward you handsomely, okay? Search everywhere in the market, in the park, under the bridge, everywhere. Please, I'll get back to you.
Hi! My guy. How far now?
I don't understand. On which level? What is my guy? You're raising your hands up to shake me. Don't you know your level? Those days has gone when we were at the same level. Now everything has changed. Huh? You don't address me like one tout, one riffraff coming from nowhere to shake me. My guy. You use a sanitizer and you want to shake me. Hey, my friend, address me with my chieftain's name. Ohamadike 1. Ohamadike 1.
I stand to be corrected. Ohamadike 1. I'm sorry.
It's okay. What is it?
I see you've been very busy. I'll go straight to the point. My landlord sent my sister and I out.
Please be very fast. As you can see, I'm in a haste. Okay? Yes. Talk fast, please.
Our landlord sent us out of the house and locked the house. So I came to see if I can beg you so you help me with my house rent. So you can
and how much are we talking about? How much is it?
It's 160,000, but for 2 years. So even if you can give me half of the money to pay for a year, I'm sure the landlord will open the gate for us. Please.
Falucci, I hope this place wasn't difficult for you to navigate.
It was very difficult. Yes, because the place is... You know, this place looks like cage. And as a matter of fact, I was looking out for something more beautiful, something more magnificent, something more luxurious like your friend told me.
I understand.
Yeah, so this didn't match my expectation. That reminds me, I heard you got a Range Rover on your birthday.
Oh!
I didn't see it outside.
Oh, that? Actually, it's at the mechanic. I'm trying to change the color, you know, make it look more beautiful.
Really?
Yeah.
So you want to change the color of your new Range Rover?
Yeah, I don't like it. I don't like that's not my color.
Interesting. So how about Ginika's fleet of cars? I didn't see any outside. I guess she's also trying to change the colors.
Ginika, welcome. Oluchi. What a surprise. She didn't tell me you were coming.
I decided to surprise my darling friend. But I think I got a surprise myself.
Oh, yeah. Yes.
If not that you're my friend, and we've come a long way, I would have called the security man to throw you out of this house. You're very stupid. You know what? I do not have any money to give to you now or ever. You're a man. Go out there on the street and hustle. Make your own money.
Kim, I know. I know I'm a man. And you know my condition. Okay? At least for old time's sake, please. I only have a few days to make this money available. Else, I'll be thrown out on the street. Please.
Get out of my house. Get out of my house now. Leave! Get out.
You're asking me to leave your house.
Out. You know exactly what to do. So you go and do it. You know what to do.
I'll do it.
Leave here.
I just need you to help
Leave
me
here.
with someone. Ikem, please.
Leave
listen.
here.
Ikem, listen to me. Please.
Get out.
I'll leave.
Hello? For real? Are you sure she's a mad woman? Okay. Keep an eye on her. Do not lose the track. Okay? Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Are you for real? Are you kidding me? What was that all about? You almost crashed my marriage with your constant lies. You claim we're friends, but you kept on lying to me, telling me how you call money and money answers you, how you're living the life, how I'm not buckling up, how I'm not being a big girl. But you were lying to me. Tell me, what was that constant lies all about? Do you know you almost crashed my marriage? You were literally frustrating me. You made me feel less of myself with your lies. Now, at the end of the day, I've seen how money is answering you. I have seen how you're living the life you claim you're living.
See,
why did you do that to me?
See, Oluchi, it was Ginika's fault. I warned her. I told her to stop lying.
But you also lied to me. You just told me that your Range Rover is at the mechanic. That's another big lie.
Because she already lied to you that I have a Range Rover.
But you had the chance to tell me the truth, but you never did.
I just had to keep up the lie, just to see.
Why did you girls lie to me? That is my question.
Oh, Oluchi. Oluchi, I am sorry. I didn't mean to lie to you. I only wanted you to buckle up like every other girl on the streets, you know, and begin to slay. I didn't mean to lie to you so much.
I've seen how you're balling like every other girl. It's very evident in this house.
Ginika! Ginika!
Joe, please calm down. Oh? Just go to your house. I have a very important guest which she lives here.
Ginika, I'm giving you from now to 6 p.m. for you to return my car the way it was when you rented it. Please, Ginika.
Jojo, I've heard you. You can go. Pray your voice down.
Ginika, this will be the last time I warn you, Ginika. Ginika, how could you be so careless that you can't even manage the car that you rented?
Joe, I'm sorry. I'll come to your house. Please just.
Ginika.
See what you've caused. Look at.
What is this? Why does this guy hate me this much? He doesn't want to help me. I feel so ashamed to ask Oluchi for help. I should be the one helping her, not the other way around. What do I do now? Please, you have to help me. You are my only hope tonight. If not, I'll have to sleep on the streets. Please.
Why is Ikem so heartless? Why can't he help you? As a matter of fact, he won't take anything from him to help you.
I don't know why he won't help me.
That guy is heartless. It's okay. It's okay. It's fine. You can stay here. You can sleep here tonight.
Thank you very much.
It's nothing.
I promise you I won't be in any trouble.
It's fine. So we can go inside so you freshen up.
Okay.
Life is beautiful when you get the money. Moka gobi. I beg you when. Okara gobi. This is gonna happen when you shake your body. Moka gobi. Money's good, I beg you. Okara gobi. Poverty silent, oh. Money must make noise, oh. The world go bow when they see money. Okara gobi. Poor man, they fear, oh. Rich man, they get a heart, oh. You go enjoy when you get money. Moka gobi. Moka gobi. Anyhow you make money, it is money. Moka gobi. Leave so far behind it. Okara gobi. Money no dey talk. How you get am oh? Okara gobi. Moka gobi. Poverty silent oh. Money must make noise oh. The world go bow when they see money. Okara gobi. Poor man they fear oh. Rich man they get a heart oh. For silver and gold and the things of this world, many have sold their soul. All the beautiful things are just vanity. One day they will pass away.
Excuse me. Is this not the car I bought for Oluchi with my own money?
My guy, forget that thing. Eh? Is it not obvious that your money-making machine is now my woman? As a matter of fact, we share everything in common. The car, the house, and some other private things.
How?
Forget that thing you're trying to say now. Meanwhile, why are you walking on the road like this? Did they ask you not to come out with a car today? Eh?
You see you will hear from me very soon.
Forget that thing.
Very soon, you hear from me.
The sun is so hot. Why don't you come in? Let me drop
Animal.
you. Hop in, let me drop you off. Eh? Oh, no, go. Keep doing go, eh? And I'll be enjoying the money.
For silver